Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn the past indefinite tense. Before starting the video, I request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this video. Let's start the video. The past indefinite tense. The second form of the verb is used in this tense. Remember that the second form of the verb is called past. Because of the lack of auxiliary verbs in affirmative sentences, this tense is also called the simple past tense. The structure of this tense would be something like this: subject plus second form of the verb plus object and other words. He bought a new dress yesterday. Bought is the second form of the main verb buy. Practice some more sentences of the past indefinite tense. Now, let's talk about negative of this tense. In the negative of the past indefinite tense, did not is used with the first form of the main verb. He did not go to school yesterday. Did is the auxiliary verb and second form of to, so the first form of the main verb go will be used. Remember, he did not went to school yesterday is an incorrect sentence. The structure of negative of this tense will be subject plus did not plus first form of the verb plus object and other words. In the interrogative of the past indefinite tense, did is placed before the subject, and after the subject, first form of the verb is used. A question mark is also placed at the end of sentence. The structure of interrogative of this tense will be did plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object and other words plus question mark. Did children go to school last Monday? In the negative interrogative of the past indefinite tense, did is placed before the subject and not after the subject, which is followed by the first form of the verb. A question mark is also placed at the end of the sentence. The structure will be did plus subject plus not plus first form of verb plus object and other words plus question mark. Did she not buy clothes last Sunday? Uses of past indefinite tense. This tense is used for the action that was completed in the past and not related to the present. They went to school at a young age. This tense is used to show past habits. To express past habits, the words like always, often, generally, sometimes, usually, every day, etc. are used. He always wore sunglasses during her traveling. This tense is used to indicate the action that lasted for a period of time in the past. Ita worked in Microsoft company for 10 years. This tense is used in asking for the time of action. When did you go to market? Did you bake the cake this morning? This tense is used to indicate the completed action in the past when the time is mentioned. India won the first World Cup in 1983. This tense is also used to express that action which time is not given, but that is definite. I was born and brought up in Pakistan. In the past indefinite tense, the form of the verb remains the same, with the singular and plural subject. However, it changes with the be form of the verb, such as was or were. With a singular subject, was is used. He was very special to me. I was born on 3rd March, 1973. With the plural subjects, were is used. Girls were excited about the picnic. Where were you last night? We were in London last year. Hope you have benefited from the video. I also hope you will like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye till the new coming video.